afternoon, Matthew here for another episode from Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. Today we're working on Puroclenz. Well, we're not actually working on it. Puroclenz is working on strong odors, nasty, smelly, stinking cars that have been detailed or either set at the auction or on the car lot and have repugnant odors that are hard to remove. So we're going to use this 100% biodegradable, non-toxic formula to get the odors out of the vehicles. Today we're going to be using Nissan Pathfinder to get the job done. This vehicle was stored, had a lot of stuff in it, so it has a lingering odor. So we're going to see what Puroclenz can do for us and give us our feedback so you'll know how to get that smelly stuff out the way. We're going to pull this vehicle out because it's a process where you're not going to be enter and exit the vehicle while the Puroclenz is working, and also you're going to have to crank the vehicle up at a certain given point in time in the instructions and let the vehicle run. And we're not going to be able to do that inside the building. So give us a minute to get the vehicle on the outside of the building and we're going to get started. Okay, all right, step 2, 3, and 4. Get all your personal belongings out of the vehicle. Everything that would be considered personal that you're gonna touch and use out of the vehicle, and remove all floor mats. All floor mats, any compartments that you want to be treated that isn't just accessible by way of something covering it. Open it up, fold it up, and that way the Puroclenz can get in those crevices and hard to reach areas. So we're going to open up every spot that we can so that it can get deeply inside of those crevices. All right, and it said leave the sun visors at an angle so you can treat both sides of the sun visors as well. And gonna get this started. All right, the seat belts, and we're going to go ahead and place this cup right here in the center console, and we're going to buckle all seat belts. All right. This gets away mold, mildew, probably with assisting COVID treatment and all that great stuff. Takes about an hour. They even mention one section to if you got heavily areas that need to be treated, it says leave it overnight. I'm just excited to see how this removes, you know, the scent that's in this vehicle. You go ahead and pull all that out so more of the seat belt will be exposed. You can wrap it around like that to get more of the seat belt exposed. So, you know, pull it out like that and wrap it around. All right, so then we're gonna close all the doors. Make sure you got the key. We got the mats down there on the got 1, 2, 3 seat belt. Okay, forgot this is a third row vehicle. We're gonna need to pull these seats out as well. Man, this looks really neat back here. And yeah, pull those out so they'll be treated. Pull this all the way out right here so this will be treated. Yeah, treat it just like that. About fell. All right, good deal. Didn't fall. All right. Pretty neat vehicle right here. All right, guys. So right here, right now, when it's well, like those vents there are closed, that would be a waste of treatment because you want that chemical to get beyond anything that's going to prevent it from eliminating odor. We all know odors hang out in crevices. We do know that. We got these open, that open. All right. If any headrests, I don't know if these come up, but I don't think they do. No, they don't. All right, so let me go get some water, and we're gonna start this first phase of treatment. Also, that comes along, we're gonna close this right here. I mean, nobody's here but us, so if somebody walks back in this vehicle, it must be because they really want it done. So we got that there, Puroclenz active. And what we're gonna do, close these doors, and we're gonna fill this up. You got a 4-gram fill line, which is a mini tablet, and you got a 20-gram fill line, which is the tablet that we're utilizing today. So we're gonna fill that up, and just like science class, put it on a flat level surface to get the accurate reading. All right, so boom. So now the tablet goes in, and we shut everything down for 30 minutes and make sure every aspect is going on there. All right, so all right, so we're about to stop this. Make sure we get the instructions. We're gonna close the door for 30 minutes. Looks like that stuff off RoboCop that RoboCop fell in. After the initial 30 minutes, start the vehicle to run the AC on high for 10 minutes. Note, quickly enter and exit the vehicle as you perform this step. Next, turn the recirculation button shown below on high and allow it to run for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes has passed, on recirculation mode, turn the vehicle off, exit, shut the door, and allow Puroclenz to remain inside the vehicle for the required time. Take note, time varies depending upon the case. Thank you. Encore Automotive, Diagnostics and Repair. Subscribe now.
Not now.